Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the upper rack assembly in your GE dishwasher, extend the upper rack assembly. Gently pry the tabs open to release the end caps on the slide rails. Now you can remove the rack from the slide rails. And set it on a flat surface. Note the orientation of the hooks on the rack. Then gently pry up and push the tab to release the supply tube from the rack. To install the new rack assembly, center the spray arm assembly under the rack. Then hook and snap the spray arm into place. Insert the sliders between the rollers to set the rack. Snap the end caps back onto the slide rails. And the dishwasher should be ready for use.